Hello, let's talk about a problem you may encounter with the Steam game's pricing before publishing your game. Steam game pricing may create problems in your income calculation. Let's see what's the problem. So you are calculating how much of the copies sold is enough to cover all your game development expenses. For example, your game development expenses are $100,000. If your planned game price is $10, it will be easy to calculate how many copies you need to sell. It is 10,000 copies. But there is a catch, of course. Let's see two examples. One is AAA game and one indie solo developed. First we will see Red Dead Redemption 2, for example. In the USA price is $60, but in Argentina it is around $25. These price differences can be even more extreme. Our second example is a game made by a solo developer who is a friend of mine, and he sets the price of his game at 10 euros. But in Argentina the game price is 1.3 euros, where the price is almost 8 times lower than original price. You may ask, what is this? These are Steam regional prices. Steam does this automatically because life standards in these countries are not at that level, so the prices need to be lower. But what is good is that you can set your prices manually by the region, but think about people in those countries. If they don't have that amount of money, they won't buy a game at all, and probably pirate your game. So it's up to you to decide. You definitely need to consider this in your income calculations, because if most of your customers are from Argentina or any other country where the price is reduced, you will have potential problems. So use this information and plan for this. My opinion is that you need to have regional prices, and if the Steam recommendation is too low for you, you can adjust it as you like. I hope this will be useful for you, and see you guys in the next video.